Climate change. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most critical and pressing issues of our time: climate change. Climate change is a topic that affects all of us and has far-reaching consequences on the planet and its inhabitants. In this video, we'll explore the causes and effects of climate change, its impact on the environment and society, and what we can do to address this global challenge. So, let's get started with climate change. Climate change refers to long-term shifts in weather patterns and temperatures on Earth. While some changes in climate occur naturally over geological timescales, the current changes are predominantly driven by human activities, specifically the emission of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. The primary sources of greenhouse gases include burning fossil fuels for energy, deforestation, industrial processes, and agricultural practices. The accumulation of greenhouse gases traps heat in the Earth's atmosphere, leading to a phenomenon known as the greenhouse effect. Let's see how this effect influences our planet's climate. The greenhouse effect is essential for maintaining a habitable temperature on Earth, allowing life to thrive. However, human activities have intensified this effect, leading to an increase in global temperatures, a process known as global warming. The consequences of global warming are widespread and alarming. Melting ice caps and glaciers, rising sea levels, extreme weather events, and disruptions to ecosystems are just a few examples. Climate change isn't a distant future problem, it's happening right now. Let's take a look at some of the visible effects of climate change on our planet. One of the most visible effects of climate change is the retreat of glaciers and ice sheets in polar regions, such as Antarctica and Greenland. This melting ice contributes to sea level rise, posing a significant threat to coastal communities worldwide. Rising sea levels are just one aspect of the impact of climate change on the environment. But it also affects the livelihoods and well-being of people around the world. Let's delve into the social and economic consequences. Climate change exacerbates issues like food and water scarcity, displacement of communities, and increased risks of heat-related illnesses and infectious diseases. Developing countries and vulnerable populations are often the hardest hit, further widening the gap between the rich and the poor. The effects of climate change are a global concern, but it's not all doom and gloom. There is hope, and we can take action to mitigate its impacts. Let's discuss some solutions. Transitioning to renewable energy sources, such as solar, wind, and hydroelectric power, is crucial in reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Reforestation and sustainable land use can help absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, mitigating the greenhouse effect. As individuals, there are also many steps we can take to combat climate change. Small lifestyle changes, like reducing energy consumption, recycling, and supporting eco-friendly products, can make a significant difference when multiplied across millions of people. Additionally, putting pressure on governments and industries to adopt environmentally friendly policies and practices is essential for systemic change. Each of us has a role to play in protecting our planet for future generations. Together, we can make a difference. And that concludes our exploration of climate change. I hope this video has shed some light on the importance of this global issue and the actions we can take to address it. If you have any questions or thoughts on climate change, please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content on important topics like this. Thank you for watching, and until next time, let's work together to create a sustainable future for our planet.